Mulamto, Mulamto, Zani Tang, Pino Janama Sharpacapso, Malang, Nelo Rana Sana, Zani Tang, Pino, Pempatana Batamjel and Debare, in a young Mulam, my Hippocaso, Zani Tang Pino Chepa Yore, Zani the Pinote, Chepa Yopama, the Demba Topa Yore, more Hippocapso, Zani Tang Pino Demba Topa Mina, Nanzando Zani Tang, Pino Chepa Yore. They get Tanda to Pata in a young Tony Mato Pacapso, Lende Town, Pino de Demba to Pata Lander Yang Zocobre. The round Sentinel Saja Chebon of the Tona, Zangin the Pino de Sutanje, the Malan Moki Patabre, Malan Moki Vagento, Nanzando, Yopare Mato, Demba, Mebare, Demba King the Yamare. Then I was a neighbor.
In a dream, there are various kinds of appearances that can arise, good ones, bad ones, beneficial ones, harmful ones. And the true nature of all of these various kinds of appearances, be they good or bad, well, from the point of view of the true nature of all of these, they do not exist. So, from the point of view of their true nature, these appearances transcend good or bad, helpful or harmful. But if one doesn't recognize that one is dreaming, then there seems to be a difference between the various appearances. Some seem to be helpful, some seem to be harmful. And these appearances seem to be truly existent. They seem to be truly existent as helpful and harmful things. When one recognizes that one is just dreaming, one recognizes that the appearances in the dream are not truly existent. They are just mere appearances. And yet, as mere appearances, there are still distinctions which can be made. When one has not directly realized the ultimate emptiness, which is free of all conceptual elaborations, actions and their results, things that appear helpful and those that appear harmful, seem to be truly existent. And therefore, one must consider what is to be abandoned and what is to be adopted. When one has realized the true nature of Mahamudra, then all these helpful and harmful things appear to one the way they would if one was dreaming and recognized that one was dreaming. So there are just the mere appearances of these things. They do not appear to one as if they are truly existent, and one doesn't cling to them as if they were truly existent.
Dene tsende nangdong choda tabu tang jatong tabu yinpe junsen karasana nga su lu den yunga ye lupa lu ri yina yang dutin khataka dutin te rikpe che na dutin trawa madrupa se na nga su lu de nangdong choda tabu tang jatong tabu yang tsende nangwa nato de chukin nangdong choda tabu yinpe namdo lu tu te yorwa sebi se namdo lo tu te jorwa sepa de kare sena namdo lo tu te danyin jorwa sepa tang namdo lo tu te zangma tang ma zangpa yang jorwa soba se te tabu ten jorwa na so yoba se sen de do ke chorwa na so kwa chuchi rang yin ji mi te jik ta tama rang yin le de ba se pe na malam je de do ke chorwa yin yun sin ti se na sen de na wan de tene denpa yang ma re teni meba yang ma re nang zang de yoba re nang zang de yoba se na tene chonang de dawa tawa tang gyatong tawa ninji te ninji ranga ngowo te do ngarwe chonang ke donga na so nyowe simjin le mek te simjin te da donga tang donga je jodang che ba le drone che marong sambe simte la ta ninji se te donga na chokbe nyam thakpar chorbe Jumchin la sante, Ninja Gombate, Simchin la make ninjas, Le Tangbo Ninja Gomso. Then don't have Simchin Namjang Donga, Donga Nua Potan Japa Matapa in the young Matapa Yembar, my hipa, Takpar Himba Wange, young Donga Chimbo Chago. The name Matapa Jumchin la Sante, Ninja Gombate, Ninja Nibare. Somebody, Simchin Nam, don't have Simchin Nam, don't Tambara, young Tabaran, Yinja Maropa, Malanja Donga Taba in the young. The other my hip is Simchin Nam Ninjas and Gono, Gombate, don't need to be here up to Simple Ninja. Then Ninja somebody, Ninja la, remember some secret. Then make me the Ninja Sigete, Tanda, don't yet don't buy Ninja, don't want some to talk, not the name make me the Ninja. Tasa Tazi Yona, Simjang Ola, Monela Tamata Pere, Tasa Tazi Lende, Tasa Tazi Lende, but Sorge Tepinam Yuna, Simjang Ola Tepere. Tagoson. Tasa Tazi Yona, Nina Yabesena, Simjang Ola, Munetaga Yomare, Yenda Tato. Tasa Tazi Lende, but Sorge Rangang Ola Tepe, Tatapaina, then Simjang Ola Tepare. Rangla Ranga Tepana. Ranking Migla Ranga Tepana.
If there is an object being seen and someone seeing it, then one is not really seeing the essence of the mind. Because when there's an object being seen and someone seeing it, that obviously involves duality. However, if one looks at the essence of the mind in a way that does not involve an object being seen and a seer, then one has seen the essence of the mind. So this is something like the eyes looking at themselves. The mind sees itself in a way in which there is nothing seen and no one seeing it. When the essence of the mind is seen directly in a way that transcends there being an object being seen and someone seeing it, one has attained lesser freedom from elaborations. And if that is then corresponded to the Mahayana paths, one will at that point have attained the level of a noble being, the first Bhumi. However, one should not have hopes about seeing this or realizing this soon, or fears about not doing that, because time is just a concept. It's something imputed by thoughts. And the true nature of Mahamudra is beyond time, therefore, it's beyond time. So if one is thinking about this in terms of time, then it's conceptual and one is obscuring this nature. So it really doesn't matter at what point one realizes this, because once one realizes it, it's the same as if one realized it right now.